milestones and hold yourself to them. Use discipline as your compass. Discipline turns intention into outcome. Chapter 3. Training, not waiting. Tactical steps to reinvention. There is a myth that reinvention requires a perfect moment. It does not. It requires method. Start with small, repeatable actions. If you want a new career, build skills daily. If you want to be healthier, train deliberately each day. Want to repair relationships? Show consistent, dependable behavior one interaction at a time. Recognize that setbacks are training exercises, not disqualifications. In police work we run simulations, analyze failures, and adjust. Do the same. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Use mentors and peer accountability. Seek education, certification, or hands-on experience. The internet, community colleges, vocational programs, and veterans resources exist to help you acquire the competence you need. Turn curiosity into planning and planning into disciplined action.